Welcome to my video on multiplication of two binomials using the FOIL method. So what is FOIL, first of all? FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. It's an acronym. It helps us to remember how to multiply two binomials together. And a binomial is the sum or difference of two algebraic expressions. So that's what a binomial is. This is a way to multiply. So let's just look at, in the general terms, what that means exactly. So we have A plus B times C plus D. Those are our two generic expressions. Those could be, A could be a constant or a variable, doesn't matter. So we're using the FOIL method, so our first term, what that refers to, this would be the first. This is A times C plus, then we have the outer, which is going to be A times D, plus the inner, which is B times C, and then the last is A times D. So, first, outer, inner, last. That's all that refers to. Let's do an example. Clarify this a little bit. We want to take 2x plus 1 times x plus 5. So multiplying this out using the FOIL, so the first would be 2x times x, so that's the first two terms, plus the outer, which is 2x times 5, plus the inner, which is going to be 1 times x, plus the last, which is 1 times 5. Continuing to multiply this out, so this is going to be 2x squared plus 10x plus x plus 5. Now these can be combined, so we're going to get 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. So that is going to be the answer to this example where we multiplied out those two binomials using the FOIL method. Let's do one more example. This example, we want to look at 5x plus 4 times 2x minus 3. So the first term, multiplication of the first terms, is 5x times 2x. That. The outer is going to be plus 5x times minus 3. That. And then the inner, plus 4 times 2x, that, and then times the last is 4 times minus 3. Let's expand this out. So we've got 5x times 2x, that's going to be 10x squared, plus, and then that's going to be 5x, so that's going to be a minus 15x. Now we've got 4 times 2x, so that's going to be 8x. And then the 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. Now we can combine these terms right here. So that's going to be 10x squared. And that's going to be a plus 7x because minus 15x plus 8x is a plus 7x, and that's minus 12. So that is the solution to our second example. Well, I hope you got something out of this video on the FOIL method for multiplication of binomials. If you did, give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.